Cheoil is well known for its musical talents, performers and sessions. I spoke to two upcoming artists, Proinnsias Ó Cathasaigh and Sorcha Ní Bhriain, to find out more about their talents and their plans for the future.
My name is Proinnsias Ó Cathasaigh. I'm from Lisbon. I'm 17 years old and I like to play music, sing and dance.
My name is Sorcha Ní Bhriain. I go under Sorcha NB for music, and I've been singing since I was a baby, and I've been writing lyrics since I was about 7 and full songs since I was like 11 roughly.
I got into singing by listening to my grandfather in Killarney, Frank Fitzgerald. He used to always sing, and when we used to go visit him, he used to sing songs to us, and I kind of picked them up. I sing in sean-nós and I sing traditional, and I also sing classical.
Oh, Paimsin ishim handenes the chail me sulfiro. Iniak nam hansen nihe some cholehinsen low. Fihek sugrelo se paterach te gimmertis se goal. Snivur is bandam.
I also play the concertina, tinsel, flute, piano, the harp, barron, and a few other instruments as well. And that's all traditional. And I play classical piano as well. And I'm doing a few grades for the piano and in the voice and the harp.
My parents are musicians. They play trad music, and I'm the youngest in my family, so all my brothers and sisters would be playing music. There was just a bunch of like guitars or any instrument really you wanted, you could probably find in the house.
For me, I think it's almost storytelling, and it's very feeling-based and kind of personal, I suppose. And sound-wise, I would say it's acoustic indie pop.
This is the last time I let your brown-colored eyes rip me up inside. When I lie down to sleep, it's too easy to see the 12th of January. I'm buying paint, it's time to erase your face, your tasty taste. Your face, your taste, the day, the day, the day.
In the future, I have a traditional music band made up. We sing, play music and dance. It's called Scrogall. There are 3 of us in the band. There's myself, my brother Martin, and another person from Lixna called Alana. We play and sing at different occasions. Like we'd do a wedding, or we'd play in pubs or whatever. And who knows, I might even teach a few songs or whatever to people.
My plans for the future is to make and release this EP and play music and hopefully kind of build a little following of people who care about my music and kind of what I do, and just hopefully be able to have a career from this. And I mean, yeah, I'll keep trying until it is my career, so yeah. You can find me under Sorcha NB on pretty much every website. So I've got SoundCloud and YouTube and Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and all that stuff.
Oh, making mistakes, stuck in repetitive days, losing faith. It's funny how we're never the same.